everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can set the video opacity on CapCut. So you can do this setting for a main video or also overlay, but I'm going to just show you in the main video. So if you want to set the opacity, you just need to click on the clips and then swipe at the toolbar at the bottom until you find opacity. So you can just click on that, and here if you want to lower it, just swipe it to the left like this, or you can just go back with sliding it to the right. Okay, so that's pretty easy and you're done. Just click on the check icon. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on thumbs up icon, click on thanks, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.